I'm doing this for 1 month, so this is one of my meals. My meal before this was yesterday I had soup. Like I made some soup with just sweet potatoes, carrots, and some split peas. And today I am having a romaine and spinach salad with some avocado. And I also have some chia seeds I put on there, some soy nuts, and some sunflower nuts. And then I put some of I use this dressing. This is my favorite dressing. Really, really good. You should try it. I also put some craisins on there. So I'm just gonna build this salad right now. This is my go-to salad. Like when I'm eating meat, because I'm not eating meat right now, but when I am eating meat, I usually just add meat in with all these other ingredients, and it's so good. And this avocado is really mushy, so I have to use my fingers. Usually just come out of there, but since it's so mushy and I'm supposed to be using a bigger knife, yeah, so I just do that, and it's supposed to slip out like really easy. Like, yeah, this one is kind of slipping out easy, but yeah, so I'm gonna put that avocado on there. Let me wipe my hands. And then I'm going to add my dried cranberries. This is one of my favorite salad peppers. And then I'm going to add in some chia seeds. This is a very nice hearty salad. Got the chia seeds just sticking on there. Just sticking on the avocado. And I'm going to put in some sunflower nuts. This is a really good salad. And some soy nuts. I'm not eating any meat, no protein, so the soy nuts is a nice source of protein in there. And then I'm going to add my last topping, a little bit of chips. I got this chips at the grocery store. It's veggie flaxseed corn tortilla chips. So I just put a few on there, crumble it up. It's like different veggies like spinach and stuff. So that gives a little crunch to the salad. And as I say, you can add chicken on this salad. It's really good. And you can put how much chips you want. And then you just add the grand sweet Vidalia onion dressing. This is so good. I get it at Walmart. Any grocery store is the bomb. So I just put some of that on there. And this is my dinner for the night with a bottle of water. Bon appetit. Hope you enjoyed this video.